Hello once again to all of you in this lecture where I will explain two more of my favorite candlestick formations. Before I begin, I want to remind you guys that the candlestick patterns that you're studying in this lecture are in no particular order, so every pattern carries equal significance in my trading and therefore there is no pattern that I regard superior to any other. Okay guys, the patterns we are studying here in this lecture are called the signal top and the signal bottom, which consists of one candle each. A signal top is defined as a candle where market posts a higher high than the previous candle and then closes much lower than the opening price of the candle. It is a very powerful indicator of a top formation, hence indicating sellers entering in large numbers. Guys, a signal top is very different from a shooting star. Firstly, the real body of the signal top is much bigger than that of a shooting star. Secondly, it is possible for a signal top to have a very small upper tail or upper wick compared to a shooting star. On the other side, as the name suggests, a signal bottom candle appears after a clear downtrend in price. Then the candle posts a lower low when compared to the previous candle, and by the end of the session it closes well above the opening price of the candle. A signal bottom is a sign of buyers taking control of the market by the end of the session and is a strong indicator of bullish sentiment entering the markets. Please use the same guidelines as we studied above in this lecture to differentiate a signal bottom from a hammer formation. Let us quickly study signal top and signal bottom using illustrations. Please remember that signal top candle's real body must be bearish in color and signal bottom candle's real body must be bullish colored. Guys, for both of these patterns, you will always analyze them while keeping the below guidelines in your mind. Whether signal top or signal bottom appeared after a clear uptrend or downtrend respectively, this means that the importance of the pattern increases when they have come after a prolonged move in terms of both price and time. Whether these points are also associated to key support and resistance zones on your trading chart. If this happens, you are able to trade them with more confidence. Now let us go through some examples of signal top and signal bottom. First example is of US dollar and Canadian dollar, and we are studying a signal top candle on daily charts. Starting from here, this forex pair enjoyed a sharp rally for more than 60 trading days, and then we saw a signal top at a major level which acted as price resistance. Notice the size of the tail and real body of this candle. Both are almost equal in price. These are the key differences you will notice when comparing a signal top to a shooting star. Price declined sharply for more than 70 trading sessions on this pair. Let's study another example of signal top. Once again, this signal top appeared after a prolonged trend in price and time. It was once again associated to major resistance. The real body is larger than the tail and candle posted a strong bearish close after opening higher than previous day's close. And following this signal top, price declined sharply in a bearish trend. More often than not, a signal top formation linked to key level presents a highly profitable opportunity on larger time frames. Let's continue studying next example of euro dollar, but this time we are focusing on a signal bottom which appears after a clear downtrend. The signal bottom candle has a large real body with a small lower and upper wick and presented a major buy setup on this support zone after a sharp decline as you see here. And what followed was the retest of this support zone multiple times in this pair before price advanced in a bullish trend. The next example of a signal bottom is of crude oil daily chart. Notice once again the size of real body of this candle, guys. Larger the real body, bigger the preceding price action will be. Before this signal bottom, price was moving in a sideways trend, and then it rallied sharply once the bullish sentiment was confirmed by this formation. Guys, the final example is of US dollar and Japanese yen. The criteria remains the same to test the strength of this signal bottom as I show you here. Please remember that a signal bottom or a signal top which is not associated to clear market trend is not as effective when compared to those associated to clear market trends. Guys, this also concludes this lecture, and I will see you in the next lecture in this section.